Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove Facebook page. So let's head over to our Facebook application first. Once you're there, tap on the three lines icon on the top right. And then here you will find the menu and here you will find your page. So head over to pages and head over to your page. Now just tap on the three dots and tap on block and block them. So once you do that, you will just get rid of that page, and you can also head over to the page by switching them, and then you can just delete them from here. You can go there and then just delete it here by going to settings and privacy and go to settings, and here from them just go to page details, and there you can delete your page. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.